Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Best Beauty, and in today's video we'll be talking about contest flow. Okay, now this is aerosol. Now this particular aerosol, okay, it was recommended by my doctor, so I went to the pharmacist and I got this particular one. And mind you guys, the reason I'm doing this video, it is not a paid advert. Okay, disclaimer, it is not a paid advert. People say I'm doing adverts. Okay, I actually wanted to show you this particular product because when I got it, I was having difficulty in finding where the filter is. Okay, the air filter. I was finding I was having difficulty in finding the air filter. So I actually went back to the pharmacist because of this, because I went through YouTube, I checked, and there was no video explaining as to where the air filter of this product ought to be. Even other products that I even saw, no video was giving much explanation as to how to change the air filter and where it is being located. Okay, but depending on your product, mind you, okay, the exact place where the filter is supposed to be can be different. In this particular product, is not the same place that this particular product air filter is, that other products air filter is as well. Okay, so they are different according to the product, according to the brand. Okay, but this is Contest Flow, and like I said, it was recommended to me by my doctor to go get it. They have other numerous good types. So just for you to know that I'm not doing a paid advert for these people. Okay, just telling you that I had difficulty in finding where the air filter is. And when I saw it, and there was no video on YouTube explaining to us where we can actually change the air filter. So I decided to do a video to help you, because I know other people like myself would be looking for something like this as well. Okay, so inside this product we have this, we have this tube, we have this nose mask. It's supposed to be here. Okay, we have it too. We have one for adults, we have one for kids as well. The first one I wore, this for kids, this is for adults. So we have it like this. Inside this product we have this too. Okay, I'm going to keep this one because I've showed you. And then I said we have this. Okay, now let me explain this one, what this one does. Okay, now this is the tube that you have to insert this particular place. We have it like this. Let me take it up. Now we have it like this. Okay, you are going to take it, this, out from the product. You are going to open it. Now when you're done opening it like this, you are going to insert the medicine that you want to use. Okay, when I say medicine, this is what I mean. One of this. Now it doesn't come with this pack of aerosol. You have to get this one separately. Okay, now this one you have to get it whatever brand you want to use. Okay, you open one of these, you put it inside here. There's something inside, don't remove it. That's a filter for this. Okay, so you're going to take one of these, you're going to pour it inside here, and then you're going to cover. So, sorry. And then you're going to cover it. Okay, when you're done covering, you're going to take one of these tube, the one of the end part of this tube, and you're going to insert it underneath it like this, like so, holding it. Remember, we have something inside. I didn't put it, but you know you ought to put one of those medicines inside. And then you're going to do something like this, put it underneath. Now this is the machine itself, this is the machine itself. I'm speaking Italian. Now this is the machine itself. Okay, now this is good, especially for those of us that has severe catarrh, because the day I got this particular machine, or let's say a day before, I was rushed to the hospital because I was having difficulty in breathing. Okay, so this also helps. And even I have this at home, I would have used it to assist myself. Okay, so if you have thick catarrh where you cannot even breathe, your nose is blocked, with this one is going to help you, how do I put this word? It's going to help you break down those catarrh and make it watery. Instead of it being thick, it becomes watery. You know, it flows, making you better, so you can breathe better. Hope you understand. So after putting it underneath here, like so, your medicine is inside. You're going to take this other end part. Okay, you want to put it somewhere here. Now this is the place you're going to put it. Okay, You're going to put it like this. Hmm? Like this, like so. And we have it, our medicine here, remember, like this. We are going to take one of these. This is the adult nose mask. We have that of kids as well. So this machine is for kids and adults. So you're going to take this nose mask for adults. You're going to put it like so. And voila, that's just it. You're going to wear it. Okay. So for you to hear me better, okay, I'm going to take it off, but that's how you're supposed to do it. And then you're going to take the plug. You're going to put the plug over here where you see this. You're going to put the plug in, and that's just it. That's how you use your aerosol. Now this machine, like I said, comes with anything that comes with adult and kids. So for example, I'm using that of adult. It means I have extra that my child can use. Okay, even that of I don't know if I'm missing out something. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. But sorry, I have to go down to check. Okay, aside that, I think we still have for mouth. We have these two, one for adult, one for kids. Okay, so it's either you're using via your nose like this, or you are going to use that for mouth as well. Okay, so we have adults on and kids. And lastly, the reason why I made this video is to show you where you can change the filter, because I had difficulty, like I said, when I was searching for how to change the filter on YouTube. I couldn't see a video, so I had to do one. Okay, that being said, this is the air filter. Okay, this is it. It looks like a foam. Okay, squishy. Okay, this is it. And now what I'm going to do here is, this machine comes with already inserted air filter. So it means this one is for reserve. Is when I want to do a cambio, I want to change the one already in the machine, in the machine. Let me show you. Now, if I'm supposed to change that air filter, I'm going to go over to this place. Like I said, every machine is different. They're all different from each other. It means this particular spot might not be the same spot that other machine, their air filter is supposed to be. But in this machine, we have it over here. So it means if I'm supposed to open, I don't know if there's anything I can easily open this thing with here close by. No, there's not. Okay, but just know that when you open this place, use something, maybe a knife or scissors, whatever that is sharp, with a sharp edge that you can actually open this thing with. Open it. When the air filter inside there is maybe it's dirty, or you feel there's a need to change, you're going to take from this one, which is the spare, and you're going to remove it, and then you change. You change it, and then you cover it back. But this is where you're supposed to change the air filter. Okay, they kept 2 here as reserve. It means there's one in there already that needs to be dirty or maybe clogged up, and then you change. All right, hope you guys understand. Don't worry, thank me later. Thank me in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm thanking you. I really appreciate you for being here up to this point. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and share to your family and friends. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.